Somebody talk and say Nigeria be like one country where they say one day, one drama, one day, one drama. So now it be like say it be. And the drama won't be say it can happen yesterday. Now be the one be say we see for nationwide, everywhere for the country. The Senior Staff Association of Nigerian Universities and members also of the Non-Academic Staff Union of Universities. All of they do strike, yes. They don't be strike, they protest around everywhere. Say they no go agree, they no go agree. Because of this one, now we'll go find out why they say they no go agree, why they don't agree before. Now we'll go call two people, they may they come talk to us. We get to us here, our brother and friend, Comrade Broderick Osewa, when be the SANU chairman for Uniben. Welcome to our program. I greet you. I will still get Comrade Nusa Deba Igbinosa. Welcome to our program.
Thank you, sir.
I greet you. Before today, the don't they first talk before say we no go agree, we no go agree. Before nothing they happen, we enter house. That shows we don't agree. What you call the happen now when we say no go agree again?
Well, good morning, viewers. The issue is say government don't talk say they will bring some money for our end allowance. We make us let's talk say we not go bring because they owe us in arrears. You know, of up to 30 billion at the first instance. Now they don't agree say they will release 22.127 billion.
Will I hear you?
For us. Well, along the line for everywhere, we can't hear again now say NUC, where they pass on through, you know, to bring them to all the investors. Can't decide say they won't share the money according to the percentage where they talk. We say 75% for those who be academics and 25% for all the other non-teaching units for the university. Now our national talk say
no go agree.
Sharing. We will not go agree.
Okay. So by application, I want you to try to talk now. Be say, we don't get problem now with the federal government. Now, NUC don't get problem with. May I ask you, Nusa Deba?
We get problem with federal government because
federal government they own now. Somebody they own now 3 billion or about 30 billion. Give now 22.1 billion. You don't try small now.
No, where the problem there? Why I say we get problem with federal government? Be say before now, the first tranche when they first bring some years back, now government share am to various universities by themselves.
Okay.
Now this one when they go even this one they go release. I think the second and this one pass through NUC and NUC. Everybody knows it predominantly. Many of them went there. Some of them now university lecturer. They just second they go do some few work there. So they go up always
think of their own faith before another thing.
That is the problem. That is why I say we get problem with federal government.
But the question I'm going to ask you again, according to Osewa now, comrade, he say when they bring the money come, una hear say they want share like this. They wanna come go street. How na tell them to take it? Because you know say rumor they fly up and down these days, fake news and all of that. You know just not fake news here, so.
No, not be fake news because before now, our leaders up there, our national, all of them they go meeting together.
Okay.
So they hear about this thing. Not be they do hide now. They know say they want release money.
Okay.
But we have they want to share them because they don't first want to say make government they share them the way that they share them before. Okay. So university or NUC not get business with the share money. Now government go they say this one to this union, this one to union.
So the money they share and then they cost wahala now. So that because that man say they until they pursue rabbit when they want catch a different for you until they share them more.
Now so
I mean I don't pursue I don't catch a rabbit now to share and I come with the problem. But I go ask you one thing, my brother Broderick say. We see all of these things then because now talk and say this one a warning strike. After this one I go full blown strike. You understand? Then they think and say your children there for school, my children there for people's children there for school. I'm gonna go do no matter with NUC. One I always take paralyze the education system.
You see, these are our children who in this school. If we, the parents, will not get money to take care of them, to take pay their school fees, to take do all the things wey go make them dey comfortable to even learn, at the end of the day nothing works. So the truth is this, that the children are there does not stop us from getting our benefits.
Right.
Now wetin dey due to us, are you following? Now wetin dey due to us, and we are telling government now give us our dues. Now there's nothing wrong with that.
Government has given. Government has given. Don't give una now due now.
Yes.
And you tell me just now say before this one now, it first comes. It don't first come through AUC before now when they share.
Let me
No, it don't first come through AUC when they share.
Yes.
So why this one come be issue now when ANC want to share them again?
You see
If no complain, the first time government send, wait first now. The first time government send, so they first bring the first tranche or the first installment or anyhow come bring and come give una. They share out, no complain. Then they see the bring and say, okay, this complaint no come reach us. We still give out to una. You know, through the same source.
No, let me clear it. That first time we complained.
Okay.
And government now quickly brought another 8 billion for us.
Okay.
So at that point, the national now said we should at least give government, make them not think
The benefit of the doubt.
But next time, let it be equitable.
No. Now the sharing will go be equitable now. I be where it go pass come because
The sharing must be equitable, not where it go pass come.
Okay. I want to find out from Nana because my brother, you talk Sadeba.
Yeah.
Say what did they be say? Where the money pass come? It don't first pass there before.
Yes.
And the share and the way be say, you know, like auditor, they can't cry come and they can't give them 8 billion.
Yes.
No, I can't hear on that one. They come through that same place. One I not say no put them through there. Now when they don't reach there, if I come to say yes, say they want to share and the share come be the problem now. Not be where a pass come on. Because I said na cry and I tell government say we don't want NUC to share the money for us. We go share by ourselves, or if they go share, it has to be shared like this. What did they say? Man, Apollo go take 50%. Hilary other will take 50%. No, I'm not talking like that.
The thing when they say that second one when they bring that when they come add that 8 journal
8 billion, right?
because of the outcry, the protest went follow when they come take beg say okay, no, not worry. Mona take this one, take augment waiting we first bring.
That time, now, toss on no one make the money come through and you see again.
We our business, waiting we believe on say if the money comes over, waiting our unions, the jack tell them say, make them share the way it ought to be.
So now by application now, where it pass can be the issue and the sharing.
Yes, but the sharing because the percentage is the issue.
Okay.
If you one person take 75, you say make 3 go share 25. You know, see as it be.
It's provocative now.
One person takes 75, 3 go take 25.
Okay. So if this matter of sharing and all of that they come, now no go fee say yes, say on a national in a way self, he even still cause some of the problems when it be say yes, na get now cry come out and say as it be. That's not say me I know woman cool temper. You don't understand? Say me cool temper. Say as it be now we go take care of this matter. Now if you say yes, na national not take care of and where. Now I come back and bond this picky one be say they for grants. So.
No.
Okay.
You see, when you do dialogue with government, you know, we are not there with them, but they always ask
They come along.
Feedback.
They get feedback. They also tell them, say, see how will they feel.
They would ask and say how what you not see before they carry go there.
So the truth is this: for every negotiation, you know, our union, we don't want to make people feel say they fight government every time. So then they always put human face. Then they always believe that the government will do the right thing. Like this sharing now, we're not supposed to be vexed. If those people who share, they ask objectively. You know, just talk say all of us do the same university. We complement one another.
Yeah.
Not be say now one person know and finish. If one na broom come together, now they make them strong. Our own be say give us at least something. We are not saying equality. We are saying equity. So that everybody go, they happy, they go. Now this
So make we look at now say this will not be equity. Now still come so now say then plenty pass on now.
No.
Wait first now. There plenty pass on now. Now make and be like say their own can't reach that kind of 75%, or maybe the money maybe say one person they get a big perspective waiting one person they get for you, and I mean their own can't reach that. And not put all those one into Kongna. Make I ask Sadeba.
Not be so.
How it be?
Not be so because if you look at the number of each union for the other 3 union now when be not teaching now.
But only 2 men they see now waiting for this
Well, but now 3 want share that money. But now 2 now.
But we know they hear the other one. They waiting be the other one name.
Now NAT, National Association of Academic Technologies.
Okay.
I hear say they put out notice, 2 weeks notice to government on this issue.
But when they work for university community, all this we hear say, now not supposed to work with here. Now what do not see?
Me
What
see
they
am.
work with? No, you say I hear. Say.
I see am, and that is why I hear, because nobody say they give me, but I see the paper.
Okay.
When they 2 weeks notice, warning notice to government, say make them do the needful about this sharing formula, or else it to go down tools.
Okay.
That
That's
is
NAT. Okay.
Yes.
But I not talk say I go down to no write no one letter. The man ask you, say what? Because you see now, you see other people, what people like right? You no right. Say yes, say I say B.
No, now we every union get the way that they take to their
Okay. NAT the right, not the right.
No, not
We
the
wrote.
not the right, we not the right. We don't pass the stage where then they sue.
I don't write plenty letter.
Plenty.
Our national don't already got a lot. Don't already talk.
We
Now
don't
the
tire.
people that they say, it be like say these people.
They don't want to listen again.
Don't want to listen. Now we come out now to tell government say that this thing we reject them.
Okay.
And they shouldn't disperse the money. So that made the government to keep the money now.
Okay.
Otherwise, don't share them. And you go create more katakata.
Aside this one of say we must say we know the agree, we must strike, we must protest and all of that. You know, if you say there are other ways to go about this kind of issue, my brother Nasayaba.
Thank you, sir. Do you know what thing?
Because this we not go agree, we not agree, and this spoil something.
This will not go agree. We not go agree when we talk about so. Now, we just center on this end allowance when they bring down. Because this government, they don't let us trust them.
Okay.
Other issue there when Thai rapper follow this this end allowance. Okay. You were surprised to know, say, it don't almost reach 2 years when they do minimum wage. As we speak, the consequential adjustment area.
Okay, all this kind of one business they talk about. Now they look and say, yes, wait first now. Now they look and say, now on our union, they cost all of it. Minimum wage no come. Nigerian Labour Congress go they there. Now they in charge for this kind of this thing. So why on now they go they meet on union? Tell them union say we no go agree. Instead now go they leave the union, go they meet. The person when black say yes, say they will they bring money. And they own 30,000 naira. I don't know 22,000 naira. Now they even they see they beat and join.
No. If you ask a question just now, if they tell you now say. Not be only even the sharing formula.
I understand. They say other issues they did.
Our government, where you don't talk, say, they don't give you now new minimum wage. Use their own mouth. Now agreement with them, not force them. Say they backdate them. And that arrears will be paid at so point in time. We are human beings. We get children. Some of them, they are so much under pressure that anything they hear say, oh, money they come, they don't do budgets. They don't wait after almost 1 year or more. They say if they don't fix it, say now October end. We are now in November.
It never end.
Okay, November never end. But they said October end.
Okay.
October don't end now. How do you why must we even believe in such governments? And we know as this country, then they give us the impression that even all the one way we the unions they even do, we will they say, will they tell our members say no worry. Then they accuse us. Say, we don't take money.
No, don't compromise.
Thank you. But we they say, maybe we not to join the push governments. But instead, all the things they are doing, now the ones where tomorrow there won't be future for anybody.
Okay.
They borrow money where they use. Will be statutory money kept for retirements of our members that have worked. They don't go there now, you see them for paper now.
Don't borrow all the money.
They go borrow all the money.
Nobody now they work and I'm not going to retire again.
No, you can see how the whole thing.
Okay,
so for we.
I don't want to make you vex because they use some kind of big grammar now when black say yes, say a person when they vex and they talk all those kinds of things. I don't want to make you vex to that point. Before I go like to now come on because time not be our friend and get so many things they won't be able to do for this program. For you now, Nosadeba, wetin you feel say be the way now to address issue? What they go do now to make sure say this verse one dey vex so everybody mind go come down?
Wetin they go do, wetin government, na government hand e dey. If government do wetin they suppose do, because we...
Then you see hand again now.
Na government, you see now, government agent now.
Okay, well, I hear you.
So our leaders for there, they will get meeting with government on Monday, which is 15th of this month. So if at that meeting they fit do wetin we ask, then the way forward. Nobody want me that they close school. Nobody want me they stay house. We won't work. If you work, you get your money. You would like to go to work.
Okay.
So then the minimum wage consequential adjustment area, they pay and journals.
But that one be say but if they make they do one after the other now. If you give them this one now, when I come to say yes, say when they share them the way it's supposed to be, they put equity according to the grammar won't be so now use inside. So they go. So if they see do that one now, still say no still great again. They need to go take to the other one.
No.
The two is going together.
Oga here don already talk. Say on Monday they will meet with government. We no want make we close school.
Okay.
But now government will come force us to react.
Okay.
Because this protest now to draw the attention of government and our people. Make them help us beg this government.
Okay.
That's why we dey do am. School is going on.
Okay.
Things are going on, but we are already using this
Well, no guarantee. Say go still go smoothly by next week.
By next week, if the whole meeting, then look at 75%, 25%, they not say okay, this 75, maybe we remove from.
Make we adjust am small.
We adjust. Then the money we promise for October, okay, we don't drop am now. Everybody will be sweet. The system will go on.
Comrades.
Our people will be happy to work.
Okay. Comrade Nosadeba Egbenosa, thank you so much for being
Thank you very much.
And I agree to you, Comrade Broderick Osewa, so you come. I pray say next time when I will call you, come here, please. Maybe matter or say we no go agree with the discuss. We dey discuss say yes, say things on the work out where the way it's supposed to be. I believe say it will be.
Yeah. So
thank you so much. We'll take a small break now. No go anywhere. Name of the program. Good morning from Benin. When they come back, just stay with us. No drink small water. Stay.